So spring is coming to the farm and we're doing some garden projects, and that's after decorating. That's my favorite thing to do. I'm not as good at it as I'd like to be, but I just get such joy out of it. And on a day like this in February, when it's going to be 60 degrees, it's irresistible. So I'll show you some of the things. There's so many spots all over this property that really need love, attention, clearing out, clearing up. So I tackle them just a little bit at a time, one little tiny spot each year, to bit by bit get some of the brush pulled back. So I'll show you a little bit about what I'm doing and what I've discovered. So today I am over here trying to tame some of this underbrush, and I should have given you it before, because this was all, that big pile there was all brush, and you can see some of these things these are all volunteer trees. They've just shown up over time. And this, which I have now unearthed, was my grandmother's little fiberglass pond. Our family had lily ponds, and she loved the water lilies, and my father had this put in for her. And you can see here, look at that. Those are the irises, still living there, because it's gotten so filled in, it's just a bog now. But this had all been covered up. If you ever pulled in here, this is where, if you come, you would have pulled in this way. You probably never even noticed that there was this little pond here, because it was so covered in all this brush, which I've now made this huge pile of. But some of the stones are missing. Who knows how that happened, and they should be covering up the edge. I have a pet peeve about little fake ponds and the edge showing. But anyway, I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to. I certainly won't be able to get this guy out. This guy right here. But bit by bit, I'm taking all the others out. And this is a tree that fell. We took the bulk of it and cut it out. But this is a tree that fell some time ago. Actually, I kind of love the beauty of it. And look at that. To actually have that there, coming over the little pond, I think will be beautiful. I mean, ultimately it'll just decay and go away, but I love that. So we're going to try to clean out this pond, and then when you come in, you'll be able to see iris blooming.